welcome back to my channel where I make delicious recipes to inspire you every week. For today we'll be making this delicious lamb roast, and it's one of those must-try roasts because lamb never disappoints. So I hope you really give this one a go. As always, we have all the ingredients listed in the description below, but for now, let's get cooking. think we can all agree that this leg of lamb roast turned out beautifully. I can attest to the fact that it tasted so delicious and my family absolutely loved it. I hope that you get a chance to actually go ahead and recreate this recipe, and if you do, please do let me know in the comments below how you got on. And as always, I appreciate your support and encouragement for this channel, so if you could please like, share with your family and friends, subscribe, as well as turn on the notification bell so you can be the first to know when I post a new recipe. I'd really appreciate it. And until next time, bye bye.